Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss Databricks Unity Catalog, which is a centralized governance solution for managing data and AI assets across Databricks workspaces. Unity Catalog is a very important interview topic because it addresses data security, access control, and governance at an enterprise scale. Understanding Unity Catalog helps organizations manage permissions consistently across teams, environments, and cloud platforms. This subtopic focuses on concepts that are frequently tested in interviews and widely used in real-world Databricks implementations. Key points covered in this subtopic: purpose and architecture of Unity Catalog, centralized governance and access control, data object hierarchy and permissions, interview-focused concepts and best practices. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured learning of Databricks concepts. What is Unity Catalog in Databricks? Unity Catalog is a centralized governance layer for data and AI assets in Databricks. It provides a single place to manage access control across workspaces. Unity Catalog supports tables, views, volumes, and ML models. It ensures consistent security and compliance across the platform. Why was Unity Catalog introduced? Earlier workspace-level security was difficult to manage at scale. Unity Catalog simplifies governance across multiple workspaces. It provides fine-grained access control at object level. This improves security, compliance, and operational efficiency. What problems does Unity Catalog solve? It eliminates inconsistent permissions across workspaces. It centralizes metadata and access policies. It improves auditability and compliance reporting. It simplifies enterprise data governance. What is the Unity Catalog Metastore? A metastore is a top-level container for metadata and permissions. It stores information about catalogs, schemas, and tables. One metastore can be shared across multiple workspaces. This enables centralized governance across environments. What is the object hierarchy in Unity Catalog? Unity Catalog follows a three-level hierarchy: catalog, schema, and table. Catalog is the top-level logical container. Schema organizes related tables and views. Tables store the actual data. What is a catalog in Unity Catalog? A catalog is a logical grouping of schemas and data assets. It helps organize data by domain, team, or environment. Permissions can be applied at catalog level. Catalogs improve clarity and governance. What is a schema in Unity Catalog? A schema is a namespace that groups tables and views. It sits under a catalog in the hierarchy. Schemas help organize datasets logically. Permissions can be managed at schema level. What types of objects are governed by Unity Catalog? Unity Catalog governs tables, views, volumes, functions, and ML models. It also manages access to external locations. Both managed and external tables are supported. This ensures consistent governance across assets. How does Unity Catalog manage access control? Unity Catalog uses ANSI SQL-based grant and revoke commands. Permissions are assigned to users, groups, or service principals. Access can be controlled at catalog, schema, or table level. This enables fine-grained security. What is fine-grained access control? Fine-grained access control allows column-level and row-level security. Sensitive columns can be masked or restricted. Different users can see different data from the same table. This is critical for enterprise compliance. What is data lineage in Unity Catalog? Data lineage tracks how data flows across tables and pipelines. It shows upstream and downstream dependencies. Lineage helps with impact analysis and debugging. It improves trust and transparency in data usage. How does Unity Catalog support auditing? Unity Catalog captures audit logs for data access and changes. Logs record who accessed what data and when. This supports compliance and regulatory requirements. Auditing improves accountability. What is a managed table in Unity Catalog? A managed table is fully controlled by Databricks. Databricks manages both metadata and storage. Deleting the table removes the data automatically. Managed tables simplify data lifecycle management. What is an external table in Unity Catalog? External tables store data outside Databricks managed storage. Unity Catalog manages metadata and permissions only. Data remains in customer-controlled storage. This supports existing data lake architectures. What are external locations in Unity Catalog? External locations define secure access to cloud storage paths. They map storage credentials to specific locations. Permissions control who can access these locations. This improves storage-level security. How does Unity Catalog support multiple workspaces? A single metastore can be attached to multiple workspaces. This ensures consistent governance across environments. Permissions apply uniformly across all workspaces. It simplifies large enterprise deployments. How does Unity Catalog improve security? Centralized policies reduce misconfigurations and access risks. Fine-grained permissions protect sensitive data. Auditing and lineage increase visibility. Security becomes easier to manage at scale. How does Unity Catalog help in interviews? Interviewers expect understanding of governance and security concepts. Unity Catalog shows enterprise-level Databricks knowledge. Questions often focus on hierarchy and permissions. Strong answers demonstrate production readiness. What is the difference between Hive Metastore and Unity Catalog? Hive Metastore is workspace scoped and limited. Unity Catalog is account level and centralized. Unity Catalog provides fine-grained access control. It is the recommended governance solution. How does Unity Catalog support data sharing? Unity Catalog enables secure data sharing across teams. Permissions ensure controlled access to shared datasets. Data sharing does not require data duplication. This improves collaboration and efficiency. What are best practices for Unity Catalog? Use separate catalogs for environments like dev and prod. Assign permissions using groups instead of individuals. Follow least privilege access principles. Regularly review audit logs. How does Unity Catalog integrate with Databricks jobs? Jobs respect Unity Catalog permissions during execution. Unauthorized access is automatically blocked. This ensures secure automated pipelines. Governance applies even in production jobs. How does Unity Catalog support compliance? It enforces consistent access policies across the organization. Auditing supports regulatory reporting. Data lineage helps with compliance investigations. It meets enterprise governance standards. How is Unity Catalog used in real-world projects? Organizations use it for centralized data governance. It simplifies managing access across multiple teams. It supports secure analytics and ML workflows. Unity Catalog is widely adopted in enterprises. Why is Unity Catalog important for Databricks interviews? Unity Catalog represents modern Databricks governance. Interviewers assess understanding of security and access control. Knowledge of Unity Catalog differentiates candidates. It is essential for enterprise Databricks roles. Thank you for watching Zoom in Data. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.